Hello and welcome to Unacademy, a one-stop destination for the English medium civil services aspirant. Today we are here to launch the fifth and the final stage of Conquer Prelims 2025. But listen to me carefully. May 25, 2025. Please do not be afraid or scared of this date. You have done all the hard work. You have revised thoroughly. You have taken as many mocks as possible. This is not the time to panic. This is not the time to be afraid of. This is the time to consolidate. This is the time to revise. Revise as much as possible. Please do not read something new, something different, and be supremely confident about yourself. Why? Listen to me carefully. Each year, more than 1 million aspirants apply for the civil services examination, but not all of them appear in the exam. More than half of these applicants they disappear at the time of the prelims examination because less than half, close to 4.5 lakh aspirants, they appear in the civil services examination, which means half of the competition is already over. Out of these 4.5 lakh aspirants, I always tell my students that the real competition is between this 50 to 75,000 aspirants. UPSC for 2025 has announced 979 vacancies. It is these serious 50 to 75,000 aspirants who would be chasing these 979 vacancies. But even out of these 50 to 75,000 candidates, who is going to crack the prelims examination? That would be determined by not the hard work which you have put in all these months and over the last 1 year. No. What you are going to do in the next few weeks, what you are going to do during those 2 hours of your exam time, that's what is going to define your success. So, right now, please do not panic. Be supremely confident about yourself. Don't read something new, revise, consolidate. And I'm going to tell you that in your last stage, in your last lap, we at Unacademy IS English, we are there with you. And that is why we are launching the final stage, the fifth stage, as we promised you. And this time, we are going to comprehensively revise syllabus with you for the prelims examination in one shot. Because we promised you something when we launched Conquer Prelims 2025. And we told you that we are going to comprehensively cover and stay with you in 5 stages. In stage one, we discussed current affairs of the period January to May 2024, and we delivered on what we promised. In the second stage, we told you that we will be focusing on high yielding topics, and we delivered on that as well. For example, for polity, I covered the entire Bare Act in 3 sessions, close to 10 hours. We completed the Bare Act of Indian Constitution. Similarly, all the other educators comprehensively covered high yielding topics relevant for prelims 2025. Then in the third stage, we covered all the PYQs of the last 10 years. We did not miss any PYQ. He comprehensively covered, thoroughly covered, and we even taught you basics, concepts related to those questions. And in the fourth stage, we covered the current affairs of the period June to April 2025. But I'm here to tell you, and you would agree with me, that we delivered on more than that we promised. Why? Because even something that we had not promised, we delivered on it. We gave it to you. For example, Chetan sir discussed in one single video all the global conflicts over the past few years. Mukesh sir discussed Ramsar sites. Abhishek sir discussed something. Sham sir took a marathon session wherein through MCQs he covered your entire economic syllabus for prelims 2025. And now in the fifth stage, we are there with you so that you can revise with us and we will comprehensively cover your prelims syllabus. How? Listen to me carefully. This is going to be your schedule. Now, when you are revising, please do one thing: align your revision with the schedule of Conquer Prelims Stage 5. What you should do, Revise your history with Abhishek sir on 8th of May. We are going to take a marathon session. So revise with him, attend the session live, ask whatever doubts you have encountered throughout your preparation, so that sir will respond to you and your doubts will be cleared. You're ready for prelims 2025. Then Sham sir would discuss economy, Chetan sir would discuss his subject, Mukesh sir would discuss his subject. We also reached out to Hima Bindu ma'am. She was busy with lots and lots of classes. Then we requested her, ma'am, for our students, could you please spare some time? Please revise science and technology, which is a very, very important subject for prelims. She has luckily agreed. And on 15th of May at 12 p.m., Hima ma'am would be revising with you the entire syllabus of science and technology, which will be relevant for your prelims 2025. And on 17th of May, I would be discussing polity. So, in a marathon session, which will start at 4 p.m., maybe can extend into the midnight as well, and we will revise polity for you. This is something that I wanted to announce, that I wanted to share with you, that you have done all the hard work. Now is the time to consolidate. Now is the time to be supremely confident about your preparation. And we are there with you. We will revise with you. But for that, please attend the sessions live. Why? Because if you think that you're going to cover these topics later through recordings, maybe some of you will procrastinate. Maybe some of you will skip these sessions as well. But this final stage is going to be absolutely critical for your success in the prelims examination, particularly those who have not attempted as many mocks as possible, particularly for those who have not revised the entire syllabus. So don't worry. Even if you have not revised, let's revise it together. Beginning 8th of May. And that is why, if you notice the schedule, we have given you a spare day as well, a reserve day as well. So there is no session on 9th, on 11th, on 13th. Why? Because we want you to revise the next day as well. So keep 2 days for history, keep 2 days for geography, keep 2 days for polity, keep 2 days for science and technology. And that is how you can be supremely confident. Because in the last moment, in the last days of your preparation, just before the prelims examination, you need to feel confident. You need to be absolutely clear about your goal. And for that, we are with you. All you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet. We will see you live beginning 8th of May with the last stage of Conquer Prelims 2025. If you're happy about this series, then do let us know in the comment section and we will see you live. All the best. Take care. Let's crack it.
For the first time ever in the history of Unacademy, Unacademy Plus subscription for 12 months is available at 17,999. If you wish to prepare with us for CSE 2026 or beyond, the link is provided in the video description. Subscribe now and together, let's crack it.